What's up everyone, welcome back to 4Adventures. It's Hong once again, and Happy New Year to you all. We are finally in 2021. It's been a while. So happy to have that horrible year behind us now, and now we can focus forward and try to return back to normal, back to how it used to be, back to socializing, back to seeing people, because Christmas and New Year's without being around anyone was horrible. Even though we had a white Christmas, which was great. We haven't had a white Christmas for a while, but having one this year kind of made it a little bit better. But having more people around would have been even better, right? Anyways, today we're just gonna install the Rugged Ridge Elite fuel door, put it on, see how it looks, and give you my impressions. But first thing I'm gonna do is just pop off the rear lights, because we do have to go through the lights and pop out the fuel housing and go from there. But it's pretty simple. Just unscrew these 4 bolts, take this off, and pop the fuel housing. Just remove the driver light, and you can see way back there is a clip, and I believe there are 4 of them. So there's one at the bottom down there and 2 on the other side. Just gotta be careful and pop those out, and then you can put the fuel housing, which I have back here, right here. Solid aluminum face, ABS plastic on the back, so nothing really special. Again, those 4 clips that I mentioned earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just be careful. These things are plastic, and they can break. It's fairly bendy, so I don't know. Gotta be very careful with that. Let's see. Just pop this. To open it, just press down on this side, and it just popped open. This is how it looks inside. The only thing I don't like, you see these clips here. Let me just get in here. These clips are plastic, and I wish they were metal or some sort, or even have like a magnet. Because I guess over time these things could break very easy, right? Because they are small and they're just plastic. So I don't know. It doesn't seem you see, it doesn't close that easy. All right, you gotta push into it to have it closed, and then let's see, to open it. Yeah, just gotta push down. Gotta push pretty hard to get it to open or close. Cause see, it doesn't close. It doesn't close that easy. Maybe. I don't know. I just hope it doesn't break. But yeah, just like that, and it closes. And there is a little hole for your existing fuel cap that you just remove off the stock, and then you just put it on here. All right, let's get this. Let's just pop that off, get this on, and see how it looks like. So just got it installed. Sorry, I have to bend a little bit here. But it's pretty straightforward install. Just have to push it in and then just rotate it into place. The hardest part was actually trying to get the fuel housing out. It required a little more effort just to push it. So the first, like I mentioned, there was 4 clips. The first 2 clips were easy to get to. Like you can just put your hand in there, and then you just push onto the clip and kind of push it out. But the last 2 at the back were a little harder, and you had to use a little bit more force. And when you use the force, it kind of bends the metal, the frame a little bit. So there's a little gap now, which I'm a little mad. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it there. There is a slight gap. I don't know, it's not showing up. Yeah, there's a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So I might a little bit later on take that out, put some silicone around it, and then put it back, so we'll just seal it a little bit better. But other than that, it is what it is, right? But yeah, just be careful if you do install one of these, that the clips, the ones at the back, are a little bit harder to get to and require more force to get it out, and you might bend the frame, your rear frame here a little bit, and it might kind of deform it, and then you're gonna get a slight gap. So it's not too bad. I'm just gonna leave it for now and see how it is with the the winter weather, see how it holds up. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. If you liked it, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, ciao.